In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book connecting flights on Google Flights. We'll walk through the full process from searching to checkout so you can confidently book an itinerary with a stop along the way. Start by opening Google Flights. When the dashboard loads, you'll see the main search box where you set up your trip. First, choose whether you want a one-way journey or a round trip. This tells Google Flights whether to expect a single date or both departure and return dates. Next, enter your departure city and your destination city. You can type a city or a specific airport. Suggestions will appear as you type. Then move to the date field to choose when you want to travel. The calendar view shows prices by day, which can help you spot better deals. Select your departure date, then click Done. If you're planning a round trip, select your return date as well, and click Done again to confirm both. With your cities and dates set, click Search. Google Flights will now display available options. To find connecting flights, look for results labeled with one stop or two stops. That label means the itinerary includes a layover between your origin and your final destination. Click any itinerary to open the full flight details. Here, you can see each leg of the journey and which airport serves as the connecting point. Take a moment to review the layover details carefully, look at the layover length, the time of day, and whether the connection is tight or comfortably spaced. If the itinerary notes a change of airport or terminal, make sure the connection time looks realistic for you. When you've found a connecting itinerary that fits your schedule, click Select Flight. Then click Continue to move forward with booking. At this stage, Google Flights may present options for booking all legs with one airline or with mixed airlines on separate tickets. Separate tickets can sometimes mean baggage isn't automatically checked through and changes or disruptions are handled by each airline individually, so choose the option that matches your comfort level. Click Select to proceed. You'll be redirected to the airline's website or a trusted booking partner to finalize your purchase. Continue through the booking flow until you reach the passenger details page. Enter traveler information exactly as it appears on government-issued identification to avoid issues at the airport. Finally, proceed to payment. Before you pay, double-check the flight times, layover length, total price, baggage rules, and any fare conditions. Once everything looks good, complete your purchase, and you're done booking a connecting flight with Google Flights.